Hello, hello, and welcome to Storytime. Today, if you haven't noticed, I have a cat because our Storytime is going to be all about cats. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm Miss Patty here at the Lincoln Public Library, and welcome everyone. Come on in. We've just begun. Welcome one, welcome all. Come on in, we'll have a ball with our story of the week. And we are going to talk again about cats. I think we'll get started with a nursery rhyme that you might know called Hey Diddle Diddle. Hey Diddle Diddle, the cat and the fiddle. Have you ever seen a cat play fiddle? The cow jumped over the moon, and a little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. How do you like that? And what have we got here? Another nursery rhyme about kittens. 3 little kittens, they lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Have you ever seen kittens wear mittens? I don't think I have. Oh, mother dear, we fear that we have lost our mittens. What? You've lost your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then you shall have no pie. Meow, meow. No, you shall have no pie. The 3 little kittens, they found their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, see here. See, we have found our mittens. Put on your mittens, you silly kittens, and you may have some pie. Purr, purr, purr. Oh, let's have the pie. The 3 little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up the pie. Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear our mittens have soiled. What? That means they got dirty. Soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens. Then they began to sigh, meow, meow. The 3 little kittens, they washed their mittens and hung them out to dry. Oh, mother dear, you do not hear that we have washed our mittens. What? Washed your mittens? Oh, you're good kittens. But I smell a mouse close by. Hush, hush, meow, meow. We smell a mouse close by. Meow, meow, meow. So, they went on a hunt. And our story today is called Inside Cat by Brendan Wenzel. And I'm reading it today with permission from Chronicle Books. I love the cover of this book. Makes us really want to read it. And the inside cover looks pretty cool. It's about a cat that stays in the house. Some cats go outside. Do you have a cat? If you do, does it go outside? Look at this guy looking out the window. Inside Cat. Inside Cat knows many windows, finds a view wherever it goes. Wanders, wonders, gazes, gapes, sees the world through many shapes. Square and round shapes, thin and wide, downward, upward, side by side, view to view, floor to floor, knows the windows, walls, and more. Inside cat knows many windows, finds a view wherever it goes. Wanders, wonders, stares, snacks, each seen through a pane of glass. Glass all dusty, glass gone gloomy, glass so streaky, glass way streaky. Glass got broken, glass all bubbly. Glass wide open, glass that's blocked. View to view, floor to floor, knows the windows, walls, and more. Inside cat knows many windows, finds a view wherever it goes, wanders, wonders, lingers, laps. Fluffy rats and roaring flies. Racing birds and boats for mice. Floating eyes and giant treats. Great cat kings and wild beasts. View to view, floor to floor, knows the windows, world, and more. Inside cat knows many windows, finds a view wherever it goes, wanders, wonders, nibbles, naps, knows what's hiding in the gaps. Knows who lives down in the ground, knows who lives up in the clouds, knows who plays with all the kids, knows who is the fluffiest, knows what smells, knows what blares, knows what speeds, knows what stares, knows what rises, knows what falls. Inside cat might know it all. Every view and every floor, all the windows, world, and more. Top to bottom, head to toe, nothing more for you to... Oh! There he is, heading outside. The cat that stays inside. And there he is out in the world. And that's the story of Inside Cat. I hope you enjoyed this story. And since we're all about cats today, our letter of the week is C. So be sure to look and listen all around for words that begin with the letter C. And when you hear one or see one, let someone know and tell them that's our letter of the week. So go ahead and go on our webpage and check out the event calendar, adults. And that way, if you click on the Wednesday Storytime description, it will bring you to a link that has Storytime and more. It's a web page that is interactive, that the kids can click on different links and it will bring them to a wide range of activities, all related to a theme for the week. So be sure to check that out. And until next week, bye-bye now.